haka jinga tai haka yeng dor bar thau an unong mi khmat ka Shillong not ubade na ka khnam uba eril bird nong rum ulapan pau shaka sarkar Meghalaya halor ka jing snew ka badan hakhandai lat bakalong ka wena ki Jaka Khaii men ba ula ongru bakan pen snew ka jing em ki samla bakan penjuru ya ka jing pang HIV AIDS haka jala ba ula ongru ya menteri kampo ye pon shim khia halor ka ni.
After I brought this issue in this floor of the House, so obviously it has been a notice. So I just want to know, how will the government react on this?
Minister in charge, how do you react to this?
Sir, the reply is no. So, but the concern of Honourable Member is being noted. That's why the government have taken seriously on this matter. In fact, the anti-human trafficking unit have been established in all the districts headed by the additional SP, as the case may be, to see and to if there is any this type of thing, it could be prevented at the particular point of time, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I'm very concerned with this issue because this area falls in my constituency. I do really want to take up this issue right from the time when I got elected, but I have to presume how true the fact is. So because of that reason, so it is a shame, and I'm afraid that if we cannot control, it may turn into red light area, and it may also known to our all neighboring state that one fine day they may call or they may class as a state, as a capital state, deal with prostitution. I have to state the fact. So with this very subject, I would like to know the government, as I brought this to the notice of the House, especially the concerned minister, will the government care to investigate or conduct the inquiry on the matter?
Sir, because the government cares, that's why we have already established this anti-trafficking, human trafficking unit in all the districts of the state. And we are trying to see that this type of thing do not happen. And to the best of our knowledge, that there is the Khandailat is not the pick-up point of sex worker, but to our team we know that it's a pick-up point for passenger, for taxi, for bus, for this thing. But I don't know for that this type of thing. Till date, I had not come to my notice.
Mr. Speaker, sir, we should not take this as a joke. This is a serious matter. This deal with many precious life of our beloved youth. So I just want to know more from the government, through you, concerned minister. Whether the government plan to rehabilitate these sex workers if they give up or discontinue with their practices.
See, the question related to the Khandailat become a pick-up point. So the answer is no, sir. But the government, they have alive to the issue, and the government of India, the government of Meghalaya also, they have a scheme to how to rehabilitate this sex worker as the case. But since there is no record in our department, I cannot say right now what is done. But we will do. We need the cooperation of the people. We need the cooperation of the community to sensitize the people that this type of thing is a crime against humanity. So we could prevent. So we need the cooperation of each one of us as a society. Sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, to supplement more, it will lead to a crime if we just see by our naked eyes and act as we could not see. Why I'm saying this? Because it affects and it's going to affect. Like it may turn to many sicknesses as we all are aware, to HIV, to AIDS, that when it already too late, it's no use to take action.
You want to
It is
do
much, sir.
supplementary most of questions?
No, late sir, since the Honorable Minister, he clarified on this August House that it was known to him that it was a pick-up for passenger, not for pick-up for sex worker. But that area fall in my constituency. If you really mean business, spare your precious time from 10 o'clock with me. We'll take a room, and we'll see how true it is. This is a serious matter, please. Don't make funny. Don't wait till it touches your knee, then to realize the fact. So I just want to get a clarification from the Honorable Minister, whether he's ready to spare his time. We'll take a round, and we'll see the fact.
Mr. Speaker, sir, in fact, I used to go there before this lockdown. I used to have whenever I come on tour, sir, if the shop on the roadside is closed, I used to have food in that roadside. I never see those type of thing. So I will not say yes or no, but we will discuss it another time, sir.
I think they are aware of your home minister,
just
that's why they are not there.
Sir, just one more. I don't know whether lockdown or lock up or lock. I don't know. But the fact is this. If you want to know the fact, just make, please spare your precious time.
Sir, I think the honourable member should inform the police department whatever crime is there, so that immediately the police could take action on this matter. This is unacceptable if there is such crime in that particular place, sir. So it's not the question of not me, who and the law is there, the police, the Thana is there, so he can contact those people and inform, and immediately the police will do necessary action, sir.
Excuse me, sir. Let the department concerned be deal with this problem.